Here's how to delete archived Instagram stories. So go ahead, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and log into your account. Now tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen and then tap on the three lines in the top right corner to go to your settings and activity. Now, once you're here, you need to go ahead and tap on archive option that is in the section of how you use Instagram between saved and your activity. Go ahead and tap on that. And here you'll be able to see the stories archive. If you tap on the stories archive in the top of the screen, this will give you a drop-down menu displaying other post archive, live archive, and instance archive. Now, in order to delete your Instagram archive stories, the Instagram archived stories, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen and tap on select stories. Now go ahead and check the box of the stories that you want to delete from your Instagram. And once you've done that, go ahead, tap on the delete button that is in the bottom left corner of your screen, and then tap on delete again to confirm, which is highlighted in red color, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.